Today, we are going to talk about 12 simple but extremely powerful remedies to prevent hair loss and stimulate hair growth in a completely natural way. This lesson is useful for both men and women of all ages who are tired of seeing their hair fall out in the shower, remain on the hairbrush, or simply gradually disappear without any clear explanation. Have you already noticed how hair loss seems to be affecting more and more people, even young, healthy individuals with no family history? Is it really just genetics, or is there something much bigger behind it? The truth is that we are living through a true silent hair loss epidemic, and almost no one is talking about it. Dr. Ethan Blackwell here. Before we begin, I just want to ask you something. If you enjoy content about natural health, longevity, and natural remedies, please consider subscribing to my channel and helping me grow on this platform. Thank you very much. Thousands of people around the world desperately try to get their hair back, investing in very expensive products, invasive procedures, and even surgical operations, without knowing that in many cases, the answer may lie in natural, affordable, and scientifically supported solutions that the industry simply does not want you to know about. The causes of hair loss go far beyond genetics. Chronic stress, hormonal imbalances, poor nutrition, vitamin deficiencies, heavy metal intoxication, excessive use of chemical shampoos, and even gut problems may be sabotaging the health of your scalp right now, even if you are not aware of it. But there is a way out, and what you will learn in this lesson can change everything. Over the next minutes, you will discover 12 natural, affordable, and proven remedies that help not only stop hair loss, but also stimulate the appearance of new hair, strengthening the scalp, nourishing hair follicles, and restoring vitality to your hair. And that is not all. At the end of this lesson, I will reveal an extremely powerful recipe used by ancient cultures to strengthen hair and intensely activate its growth. This recipe can be combined with the remedies you will learn today, creating a true ritual of natural hair restoration. So get ready to watch until the very end, because I am sure you have never heard of at least half of the remedies I will show here, and they may be exactly what you need to transform your hair and your self-esteem. Now answer me honestly, are you ready to restore the health of your hair, even if you have already tried everything? Are you ready to give up the empty promises of the industry and trust the intelligence of nature? Then pause right now and write in the comments the phrase, "Nature is God's pharmacy." Write it right now in the comments because this reinforces your commitment to your own health. And also take the opportunity to share this video with at least 3 people you love who are going through the same problem. We all know someone who suffers from hair loss, low self-esteem, feeling defeated in front of the mirror. Pass this knowledge forward because it may be the missing key to changing the life of someone you care about. Let's go. Some remedies nourish, others detoxify, others activate blood circulation, but they all have something in common. They are natural, safe, and extremely effective. Natural remedy number 1, rosemary oil. Rosemary essential oil is one of the most studied hair tonics in recent years. Studies show that it can be as effective as minoxidil, the active ingredient in many hair loss treatments, but without side effects. This is because rosemary stimulates scalp microcirculation, improving follicle nutrition and activating hair growth. How to use: dilute 5 drops of rosemary essential oil in 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil, such as castor oil or jojoba oil, and massage the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes, 3 times per week. Leave it on for at least 1 hour or sleep with the oil on your hair and wash it off in the morning. Natural remedy number 2, red onion juice. Despite its strong smell, onion juice is rich in sulfur, a mineral essential for keratin production, the protein that makes up hair. In addition, it has antibacterial properties that cleanse the scalp and prevent infections that cause hair loss. How to use: blend 1 red onion, strain it, and apply the juice directly to the scalp. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes and rinse thoroughly with cold water. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Natural remedy number 3, nettle tea. Nettle is a plant rich in iron, silica, and B-complex vitamins that deeply nourish hair follicles. It also blocks the action of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which converts testosterone into DHT, the hormone that causes male and female pattern baldness. How to use: prepare a strong tea using 2 tablespoons of dried nettle leaves per half liter of water. Boil for 5 minutes, strain, and use it as a final hair rinse after washing, massaging the scalp. It can also be taken internally, 1 cup per day for up to 3 months. Natural remedy number 4, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar balances scalp pH levels, controls oiliness, fights fungi, and improves blood circulation at the hair roots, promoting growth and reducing hair loss. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water and apply to the scalp using a spray bottle after washing your hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Let it dry naturally without rinsing. Natural remedy number 5, castor oil. Known for its strengthening effect, castor oil is extremely rich in ricinoleic acid, which deeply nourishes follicles, stimulates blood circulation, and promotes intense growth. How to use: apply directly to the scalp and hair ends. It can be used pure or combined with essential oils. Massage for 5 minutes and leave it on for at least 1 hour, twice per week. Natural remedy number 6, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a true elixir for the scalp. It deeply cleans pores, hydrates, reduces inflammation, and delivers more than 70 vital nutrients directly to hair follicles. How to use: cut an aloe leaf, extract the gel, and apply it directly to the scalp. Leave it on for 1 hour and rinse. Use 3 times per week. Natural remedy number 7, coconut oil with peppermint. Coconut oil nourishes, moisturizes, and fights fungi and bacteria. Peppermint essential oil stimulates scalp nerve endings, causing vasodilation and increased blood flow. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil with 4 drops of peppermint essential oil. Massage and leave on for 30 to 40 minutes. Repeat twice per week. Natural remedy number 8, green tea. In addition to its antioxidant properties, green tea is a powerful DHT blocker, the hormone linked to baldness. Its polyphenols help restore follicles and protect hair from premature aging. How to use: prepare the tea, let it cool, and apply to the scalp using a cotton pad 3 times per week. It can also be consumed, 1 to 2 cups per day. Natural remedy number 9, pumpkin seed oil, rich in zinc, iron, and vitamin E. Pumpkin seed oil regulates hormones that cause baldness and deeply nourishes follicles. How to use: take 1 tablespoon per day on an empty stomach or add it to salads. It can also be applied to the scalp as an overnight mask. Natural remedy number 10, horsetail. Horsetail is one of the richest plants in silica, a mineral essential for strong, resilient hair with accelerated growth. How to use: prepare a tea using 1 tablespoon of dried horsetail per half liter of water. Drink 1 cup per day for up to 2 months. It can also be used as a hair rinse. Natural remedy number 11, neem oil. Neem has antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It treats dermatitis, dandruff, and scalp infections that interfere with healthy hair growth. How to use: dilute 10 drops of neem oil in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or jojoba oil. Massage into the scalp and leave on for 1 hour. Use up to 3 times per week. Natural remedy number 12, green clay. Green clay detoxifies the scalp, removes chemical residues, controls oiliness, and activates local microcirculation, creating ideal conditions for new hair growth. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of green clay with filtered water until a paste forms. Apply to the scalp, leave on for 20 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Use once every 10 days. With these 12 natural remedies, you now have a true arsenal against hair loss. We have reached the end of this special and in-depth lesson on how to prevent hair loss and stimulate growth using natural remedies, ancient habits, and a powerful recipe that has stood the test of time. You have seen that the solution can be much simpler and more natural than you imagined. We explored 12 natural remedies, learned about 4 techniques inspired by Asian women, and finished with an ancient hair healing elixir. Now I want to know, did you like this content? Was it useful to you? What score from 0 to 10 would you give this lesson? Write it in the comments. Also tell us which city or region you are watching from. This helps us understand how far our message is reaching and how it is impacting people's lives. And if you made it this far and this lesson was helpful, write the phrase, "My body is a sacred temple," in the comments below. And share this video with at least 3 people you love who need to know this information. Remember, sometimes a simple piece of advice can save someone's self-esteem, restore confidence, or even bring joy back into their life. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and you will be notified every time a new lesson is published here.